Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies, low clouds, as well as rainfall across the region this morning. Going to see that throughout the day and remainder of the day, and we'll see possibly a little bit of a break in the rainfall early this afternoon before we see more rainfall build in for later this afternoon. But overall, it looks like a rainy, chilly day across the region. Taking a quick look at our radar imagery this morning across the area, you can see here rainfall across the region currently. Temperatures in the mid-upper 30s. Seeing a few of these reports of snow from last night. Looks like around 4 inches of snow at Wallops, so within the forecast range that we had out yesterday for the area. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have area low pressure moving off the coast. Continued stream of moisture associated with a stationary boundary across and just south of our region. That's going to be giving us the rain showers this morning. Then we'll see another area low pressure move through for later this evening into the overnight hours. That's going to give us an additional batch of some rainfall. So our current observation, we have an overcast deck at 700 feet, 4 miles statute visibility, some light rain, some mist as well. Winds are out of the north-northeast around 9 knots, temperature 36 degrees, and relative humidity around 90%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see lots of clouds across the area this morning. That's going to be the case for throughout the remainder of the day today, and continuing to see that low cloud across the region today. Taking a look at the 3-kilometer NAM for today, you can see rain showers through the area, especially through about early this afternoon, and then we could see a break later this afternoon, but once we move past about 4 o'clock or 1600 local, we'll see rain showers moving back in the region. Some of that could be moderate at times, and overnight we could see another brief break in the activity, but most likely just continue to see low clouds, light rain, and then by tomorrow morning we'll see a cold front starting to approach from the west. It's going to give us another batch of some moderate rainfall for later tomorrow morning into the early afternoon hours. And just taking a quick look at those snowfall reports from yesterday, you can see here 4 inches at Wallops, a report of 5 just north, and 3 at Chincoteague, reports about 4 inches south of Wallops, and moving up into Wycomico County, looks like about 6 inches in Salisbury, and then north and west of there where the highest amounts were expected to be, seeing about 8 to 9 inches north and west of Wycomico County. But looking back at the weather for today, going to see good condition of rainfall across the region throughout the next 24 hours. A high today around 43, and then temperatures rising overnight with a evening low of only 41. Should see temperatures near 50 and possibly in the lower 50s by Thursday 8 local. Our winds today will be out of the northeast around 8 to 13 knots. Overnight they'll see a lag in the winds as that disturbance or area low pressure moves to our east, and we'll see those winds actually pick up out the southwest tomorrow morning, 9 to 14 knots, gust 20 knots, as we'll be in the warm sector of that cold front briefly tomorrow morning for those rain showers move in. We'll see low clouds, ceilings below 1,000 feet through the next 24 hours. We'll see rain showers in the area for the next 24 hours as well. Our tides are running normal, and looking at the next 2 days, Thursday and Friday. Thursday, overcast rain likely through early afternoon, becoming mostly to partly cloudy by late afternoon, low clouds likely, and breezy late. We'll see a high of 56 degrees, so there's low clouds throughout the morning into the early afternoon, and then we'll see breezy conditions picking up with the post-frontal northwesterly flow coming in. Should see some breaks in the clouds late in the afternoon as that cold front moves east of the area, and we'll see some dry air filter in from the northwest. Thursday night, we'll see partly to mostly clear skies, breezy conditions, a low of 30 degrees, and for Friday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy, and slightly breezy early, a high of 42 degrees. So some mild conditions on Thursday, but seeing that rainfall likely the early afternoon. Also seeing a good chance of some winds above 25 knots or near 25 knots on Thursday evening, and as well early Thursday overnight. And then we'll see continued chance of those winds around 23, 24 knots early on Friday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. I'm back at 10 o'clock the next 7 days.